भगवद गीता चॅप्टर 3 टेक्स्ट 10 सहयज्ञाः प्रजाः सृष्टा पुरोवाच प्रजापतिः अनेन प्रसविष्यध्वमेष वोस्तिष्ठकामधुकम्. Means, in the beginning of creation, the Lord of all creatures sent forth generations of men and demigods along with sacrifice for Vishnu, and blessed them by saying, "Be thou happy by this yajna," means sacrifice, because its performance will bestow upon you everything desirable for living happily and achieving liberation. Radhe Radhe.